You got the cough still? Yeah, you got the cough too. You got the cough? Yeah, you got the cough still? Yeah, you got the cough still. You got the cough? Yeah, do you got the cough? Do you got the cough? Oh yeah, she got the cough. You got the cough? Elizabeth, you got the cough? You got the cough? Okay, you got the cough? I don't know, your sister doing a little better job than you. Yeah, you got the cough. You got the cough? Elizabeth. No more cough? Is your pneumonia gone? Huh? Pneumonia? No more pneumonia? Do you got the cough? Alexis. You got cough? Alexis. They're better. They're all gooder. Are you gooder? Are you gooder, 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 gooder? Are you gooder? Are you gooder, gooder? You wanna? No? I think are we starting to hit the wall? Alexis? Alexis? Is it time for my close-up?
Talk to the camera.
Hey, say dada. 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 How about you? Can you say dada? Oh no, the cough's back. Oh no, it's horrible. Oh no, I need to call an ambulance. Wambulance. Do you need a wambulance too? Do you got a cough still? Alexis. No? How about you? How about you? Do you still got the cough? Woo! Woo! Extreme close up! Woo! Woo! I know it's silly, isn't it? She's gone to the camera again. 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 Yes, she did. Yes, she did. So we hit the wall. I think we're getting sleepy.
You think?
I think so. Are you getting sleepy? Oh, I got the whisker. Oh. I got the whisker on you, didn't I? Oh. Oh.
That sounds like a bad.
Oh no. Horrible cough. Followed by a whine.
And a smile for Mom. Giggler. Giggler. Oh, bad cough.
Horrible. We need to get you some medicine. Maybe a shot in the tushy. Oh yeah, you don't like the shot thing no more, do ya? Yeah.
What a faker. What a faker.
Hey, Elizabeth, can you say mama? 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 Man, you're focused hard. How about
Oh, goodness. Came right out of that, didn't she?
da 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 Jeff Gordon? Jeff Gordon?
It's like, Dad, not that.
Kurt Busch? I know! It's so exciting! Okay, Betty Bye time.